Hello guys, we are today going to learn about profile creation on multiple websites for the backlinking process. For example, I am doing the backlink process in LayItLow.com. So now we are going to sign up on this. First we will enter our username. We'll fill up the email and password and we'll agree, and we do have to complete the captcha for this. So as you can see, now the sign up process is completing. A mail will be present in our Gmail. So now we will confirm our email. So we will now create and edit profile. Let's first go into account setting. Here we will change our avatar for image. Now we will fill up the location, and now the main part of the backlinking, we will fill up the website, and here we will fill about us and we'll save the process. So we'll go into our profile. So as you can see, now our profile has been created and our backlink is showing. Thank you.
Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such informational videos.